Beleaguered EFL chief Shaun Harvey has been accused of auditioning for a high-profile job within the Premier League ever since he took office in 2013. The league's chief executive is under intense pressure this week after several championship clubs condemned a new 5-year £595 million television deal with Sky. Sources claim they were left in the dark at alterations in the contract, and a host of rebel clubs vowed to ensure the matter is not left here following crisis talks at Villa Park on Tuesday. EFL Chief Executive Shaun Harvey is under even more pressure from championship clubs. A selection of owners are advocating for the removal of Harvey, and Sportsmail understands his stewardship over the last 5 years has raised eyebrows with staff at the EFL. Some have pointed to Harvey, formerly of Leeds United, spending an increasing amount of time at the association's commercial office in London in a bid to cozy up to Richard Scudamore. Sources at the EFL stressed Harvey splits his time between the organisation's 2 offices, in Preston and the capital, as and when required, and needs a close working relationship with the Premier League. Worried championship clubs are gravely concerned following EFL's new TV deal with SkyHarvey's critics also suspected that there has been an element of self-promotion involved in championing lasting change on a number of issues affecting the 72-member clubs. They suggested the 50-year-old will have thought of himself as capable of taking over from Scudamore. Susanna Dinnage was appointed the Premier League's new chief executive last week. Harvey is facing the toughest period of his tenure given an escalating furore over his role in the latest TV deal, and his detractors privately say the method in pushing that through is nothing new. The EFL insists their voting process gives clubs a meaningful voice and no individual can unilaterally force change. Owners have long held reservations at the EFL's methods, a number bemoaning the railroading of new legislation, including falling into line with the Premier League's shortened summer transfer window. The EFL agreed to a 5-year domestic broadcasting deal with Sky Sports worth £595 million. There were also concerns raised about the proposed implementation of the whole game solution, which was eventually shelved, and the reorganising of the Checkatrade Trophy. The EFL said it will reassess how they engage with clubs to ensure that we move forward in a collaborative way in the future.